Here is the new dehumidifier that's replacing the Whirlpool, which has a recall on it for a fire hazard. Even though it's thing's 20 years old, and I don't think it would do anything at this point, we're just playing it safe. So this is a Eurgreen, I guess is how you would pronounce that, and it's distributed by a company called LUKO, which is, I think, based in Germany. But, yeah, there's some of the specs. Unfortunately, the thing is made in China, which is what you'd expect for a modern dehumidifier. But anyway, let's pull this thing out of the box here. Alright, and here it is out of the box. It's pretty narrow for a dehumidifier. I've never seen one in this shape before. There's the control panel, purify, which I'm guessing turns on the ionizer, timer, power, humidity setting, and fan speed. So there's that. Here's one of the sides. Here are the specifications down here, model number. Looks like it has two different pint ratings based on what the temperature and humidity are. 365 watts, 3.3 amps. That's pretty low amp draw. Uses R134A. And yeah, apparently it's made by Zhejiang Ulan Electric Company Limited. It's kind of a mouthful. Here's the back of it. Oh, it looks like the filter is in here. And of course here's the water bucket. And they got the cord in it. And here's the other side. Can't really see anything down in there. So there's the evaporator coil. And the really small looking bucket. And the filter is inside of this thing. I think you can take it out. It's just held in by these plastic clips that go all the way around. So let's, after I show you, here's the plug. No GFCI, so I don't know if that's normal for dehumidifiers to not have GFCI plugs on them or not. Let's get this thing started up. I was not paying attention at all. Here is a hose, and it connects right there. This little drain hole, it connects right there, so you can hook this thing up to a hose. That's good. Alrighty, plugged in. Let's turn it on. Compressor just started. I don't know if you can hear that or not. So I got it running down here in the basement now. And to adjust fan speed, you just press the speed button and it will cycle through high and low. It starts out on continuous, but if you want to change the humidity setting, you just press that button, the humidity setting button, and it will cycle through the different settings. And there's of course the power button, bucket full indicator, timer, and the ion generator thing. So yeah, there's that. It's running, it's pretty quiet. Yeah, this thing is pretty quiet. And there's the old one right there, the Whirlpool. One thing that I forgot to mention is if you have the hose hooked up, there is a little hole in the bucket for it to come out of. You cannot leave the bucket out. It will not run.